I had a chance to spend a day volunteering with Sleep in Heavenly Peace. It's a volunteer-driven nonprofit dedicated to building and delivering handmade beds to children who need them. SHP's mission is to tackle childhood bedlessness, which is estimated to affect nearly 3% of the population. It was a great experience and a great day. Sleep in Heavenly Peace has a group of regulars who come and set it up for volunteers. There was about 40 or 50 volunteers that day, and the goal was to build 50 beds for children in need in less than a day. So it was a great experience. The organization's extremely well set up. They can train people for each station quickly, and that way you're very productive, and it works out very well. Among the volunteers were staff members of FC Cincinnati soccer team and some of the players. Everyone there was very nice and helpful. It was an awesome event. We start with rough construction lumber, then cut it to size and shape, sand it, because these are for children. You want them to be safe. And then it gets stained. The beds are then delivered to people's homes and assembled in the homes. It's a very nice project. And every bed is provided with a mattress, with bedding, the sheets and blankets, and also it's children, so they get stuffed animals. What a great organization. And it was a wonderful day. I really enjoyed my time. The finishing was dunk tanks. I got the lovely opportunity to dunk everything for 10 seconds, then you pick it up, let it drip dry, wipe off, and let it dry in the sun. Everything then gets loaded into vans, and everyone was very helpful. What a day. We got about 50 beds completed, all in less than 6 hours. Then they took the trailer full of beds and went and delivered a few. More volunteers. It was a great opportunity to make a difference to your community. Sleep in Heavenly Peace is a national organization, and there's local chapters which sponsor events. It's a great charity, and I suggest you get involved if you like doing good things for other people. I believe it's a worthwhile organization, so I'm going to attach a couple of their clips here so that you can learn more about the organization and get involved if you choose. Thank you.
A build day is a day where people from the community partner with SHP staff. A lot of times there's a business or an organization like a church that partners with us, and they provide funding, they provide volunteers, and SHP provides the knowledge and the tools and the expertise, and together we build bunk beds for kids. We have usually found those kids through our website and other places where we try and find those people in the community that have kids sleeping on the floor, and this build day is an opportunity that we have to build beds for those kids, and then those beds will be delivered.
It is such a basic need to have a bed, to have good sleep. And we have children who don't have that, and you just don't realize that until you get involved with something like this. And just to know there's that many kids who are sleeping on a floor or a couch or a chair, and they can't learn, they can't function if they're tired. And so what it means to me is that we're helping children have a better life.
The build day process is essentially the same every time, and the reason is we do it really well. We create a fun environment for people. We create a meaningful task for them. We're building beds for children. Why do we do it? We do it because we don't believe a child in this day and age in our country should sleep on a floor or a couch or on a mattress that somebody pulled out of a dumpster. That's why we do what we do. What we do and how we do it is right behind me. We bring people together. I like to say there are two things that we are known for at Sleep in Heavenly Peace. We build beds for children in need, but we also build tremendous sense of community. And that's so important to us. We just want them to know that they're loved. These children should not suffer. We can do something about it. and this is what this is all about.